Lights, camera, action. What's up, fellow entrepreneurs? It's Robert Tyrell, excited to share with you another free valuable video inside the Y&D Video Vault. I'm here today to talk about one of the most important pieces of creative: video. Self-produced videos have changed the way we digest content as viewers. Watching less traditional TV, cutting the cord, and streaming video online. Videos have an instant connection between the viewer and creator, expressing an emotional response through sight and sound. Today, I want to share with you free stock video resources you can use when creating your videos. As we shared in our other video, how to use stock photos, don't use stock content as your main creative strategy. We always recommend using real images and video of yourself or business, but stock creative can complement elements of your videos when creating your message. Sites like Pixabay and Pexels are not only good for free imagery, but have a free video library as well. Just click on the right tab here on either website and you'll see the option for videos. Type in a keyword and you'll find related videos that match your search. There are other free and paid sites that have similar resources as well, so be sure to check them out. Just a reminder, always check if attributions are required. I'm not a lawyer and can't give legal advice. When creating your videos, pick out your music track first to set the emotion you're going for. This will help give you an idea what images and video to search for. If someone is talking on camera, perfect. Use their words to help shape what kind of content you use to connect with your audience. If you've seen our other free content in Y&D Video Vault, I'm sure you've noticed that we use these same exact techniques when creating our videos. Bonus tip: when you're editing your videos, putting together the music, images, and all the video clips, pay attention to how it all flows. Listen to the beat of the music, sync up key moments of images and video that relate well. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the group, and be sure to share your creative video masterpieces in the comments section. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out all of our free content in our units section of this group in the Y&D Video Vault. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.